So, nung pandemic po, syempre, everything shut down. And I was craving ramen that day. So, hanap ako sa internet, sa YouTube ng video. Tapos may nakalagay doon. 15-minute tantanmen. Tastes just like the real thing. It did not taste like the real thing. During the pandemic, and I was researching how to make ramen, I never realized there were so many ingredients in a simple bowl. There are 40 ingredients, and a lot of those are Japanese ingredients, which I didn't really have at the time. Fortunately, there's a grocerant near me in White Plains. So I would go to New Hatchin and get my Japanese supplies. Hello, my name is Enrique de Jos. I'm a singer-songwriter. If you're going to be a musician, you have to devote a lot of energy and blood, sweat, and tears and everything. Nung pandemic po, syempre everything shut down. And I play in several bands. And walang gigs. No gigs, no nothing.
Pandemic, total lockdown. Bahay ka lang, wala kang ibang pwedeng puntahan. Ngayon, itong taong to, takam na takam sa paborito niyang ramen. Walang mabilan. Anong ginawa niya? Panoodin niyo to.
One day, during a total lockdown, I was craving for a bowl of ramen. And I saw this video on YouTube that said, easy tantanmen, 15 minutes, tastes just like the real thing. It did not taste like the real thing. So I realized, okay, I have to really research how to do this properly. After making several bad bowls, I had an idea to sell ramen kits online. I put up this ramen kit delivery service called Tipsy Table. After I had gotten that, I thought of doing pop-ups in my favorite place, which is La Union.
I'm Monaliza Binlot. I'm the owner of Monaliza Surf Resort. Sir Inky approached me saying, can I do a pop-up?
I did 4 pop-ups last year. Some of them were very, very hard. Thankfully, no one got sick, and they were all sold out. So I had this crazy idea to open a ramen shop here. But there is so much more to learn. My friend who owns an izakaya here. He's a pro-Japanese surfer. His name is Tsuyoshi Takahashi, Kuya Chu. He's been working in Japanese restaurants and ramen shops all his life. Kuya Chu, can I present my ramen to you? Yung una bowl na present ko. Hindi niya sinabi masarap. And then sabi niya, are you putting up ramen business here? Yes po, Kuya Chu. Gusto kong lumipat dito. And the second time na nag-present ako ng bowl, I presented spicy miso and shoyu. Nung unang slurp niya, sarap. Big improvement. Inubos niya yung 2 bowl ng ramen. Pareho. And since then, hindi ko na binago yung recipe.
He was given an opportunity and sobrang sarap. Until he decided to really put up na, he approached me, Ate Mona, this is it. And I'm putting it on your plate. Sabi niya ganun.
Construction started last Saturday and it'll be finished by the end of the month. Ito na po yung name ng shop. Because my name is Enrique, the shop will be called Ramenrique. There were so many components and ingredients and techniques in making a bowl of ramen that I never knew before. We'll be making everything from scratch in the shop. Most of the work in making ramen is prep naman talaga eh. It takes me like 2 or 3 days. So I'm only open on weekends. The ingredients are very perishable. It's like yung eggs, yajutama. It takes 2 days to marinate. And then after 2 days, it's good for maybe like 2 more days. So those are the considerations. And yeah, I learned to make my own noodles sometimes. So everything will be made in-house. And of course, noodles, mga 1 week lang siya.
Are gonna enhance nga yung flavor niya. Nice.
I was really excited kasi I've witnessed his journey from day one up to now and how his skills like grew really through the times. And talaga now it's perfect. It's really good. Yeah.
For me, besides the broth, it's really the noodles that make the ramen. Yung noodles ni Enki na handmade, yun talagang love ko.
So nakita niyo yun, guys?
Diba? From rockstar.
To ramen star.
That's right. Sipag at syaga lang, lahat pwede mangyari.
Kaya tara na, punta tayo sa La Union.
At kumain sa Ramenrique!